Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Gemini using ACH transfer, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Gemini using an ACH transfer, start by logging into your Gemini account. Once logged in, navigate to the Funds section located in the main menu. In the Funds section, click on Withdraw. Select USD as the currency, choose ACH transfer as your withdrawal method. If this is your first withdrawal, you may need to link your bank account. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account information. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any delays. After linking your bank account, return to the withdrawal page. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your Gemini account. Review the withdrawal limits and fees associated with ACH transfers. Once you're sure about the amount, confirm the transaction details. Click on the Submit button to initiate your withdrawal. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your withdrawal request. Monitor your email for updates on the status of your transfer. Typically, ACH transfers may take 1 to 5 business days to process. Once processed, the funds will be deposited into your linked bank account. Keep an eye on your bank account to confirm the arrival of your funds. If there are any issues, check the Gemini support page for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.